Hi, everybody. Matt here for another weekly app review where we dive into some of the most popular apps on the Qebot web operating system to see why people love them and what it might do for you in the personal or business life. Let's jump into it. And for today's app, we're going to be looking at the Shout About Us app. Shout About Us. What is it? What does this tool do for people? So this helps you manage your online reviews, all of your online reviews coming into one centralized platform. You can use it to aggregate all the reviews and respond and generate new reviews right through one platform. Some of the biggest user benefits are a huge time save in responding and generating new reviews for yourself. So it saves you a lot of time in that whole management process. And for your business, never miss another review. Get all your reviews across the entire internet into one place, and then be able to generate more positive reviews. And by generating more positive reviews, that helps with a lot of things, including trust, SEO value, etc. So let's dive into what this tool will do for you. Let's look at some of the unique features of Shout About Us. Number one, review monitoring. This has over 60 review sites, all the top ones. You got your Facebook, your Yelp, your Google, etc., plus a whole bunch of other review sites that are plugged into the system. It gives you alerts and reports for any new reviews that you have that have come in. And all your reviews are fed into an aggregate feed so you can see all your reviews all at once and just respond to all of them in order. More than just reviewing and having all of those reviews come into a centralized feed, you also can respond to all of them as well. So responding to reviews is very easy through the system. You get your feed, you click the button to respond, you can respond to them right through the platform. You can engage with your reviewers, and you can even flag reviews that are fake so that you can hopefully get those taken down. And it helps to drive trust. The more you respond to these reviews, the more you connect with and engage with the users that are leaving the reviews, the better off it's going to be for your business. And here's where you can do that. You come into the Listen Center and you go into the review response feed right here. And then right in there, you can see all your reviews. Again, they come in right into a feed. You can see all of them. You can change the date ranges that you want to look at them, see all your reviews that come in here, and then you can just click and respond. Got all your review information right here. You can choose templates to set up, or you can just respond right in public. What's also neat about this tool is the review solicitation system. You can ask for new reviews via email, by text, you get a landing page. You can automate it and set it up with your CRM. So when you get new customers into your CRM, you can automatically send them reviews once the work is done. And you can also bulk load if you collect information on a daily, weekly basis, bulk upload this into the system and ask for reviews that way. And that you can see right here. You can request the reviews one-off, you can do bulk uploads, or we can automate that system for you. And you can do it by text and customize this how you want it to look and feel. You can do it by email and see exactly what your email is going to look like right there. Or you also have a landing page that you can use and set up on a kiosk or wherever you need to be able to guide people to create new reviews for your business. Now let's talk about usability. This one is actually very easy to use. We have it set as novice and intermediate because it's very easy to use if you just want to set it up so that you can respond to the reviews that come in, you see all of the reviews that come in, and you generate new review options. So that's why we set it for novice, really easy to do that kind of stuff. But if you want to get a little more advanced, if you want to set up website widgets that go onto your website, you can do things like that. If you want automated reporting, you can set up things like that. If you want to set up goals for yourself to beat the number of reviews you got last week or last month compared to this week or this month, you can do things like that as well. So it gets very robust what you can do in here. And so that's why we've set it up as both novice and intermediate, because there are options to expand this tool quite a bit for yourself. Next, let's talk about the connectivity of Shout About Us. So API, they have a very robust API, connects to all the custom apps and software that you might have that you need to connect into a system like this. Custom builds, the team can work with you if you have your own software, your own systems that you really want to integrate into this. They have dev teams that can work with you to help, customize those structures. And then native connections. Shout About Us can connect to a number of different CRM structures, but also they have automated ways. If your CRM isn't even integrated with that, they can do things where you can upload reports or automate reports from your CRM into Shout About Us that will then use that for the review generation tool. So some really neat integrations there. All right, as for learning curve, there is a couple different options here. DIY wizard setup. Again, this tool can be very easy to use. And they've got a great way when you start the process, when you start the program, it'll get you up and running in the system itself. But it also has some great training manuals as well, training guides, those types of things if you want to get a little bit more advanced with the tool itself. Customer support, there is an email system that you can get a hold of customer support and a chat function. So you can get a hold of the support very easily to get any of your questions answered. Let's talk about pricing. Now, this is if you're purchasing this tool or activating this tool through the Qebot Marketplace. We do offer this through the Qebot Marketplace. So take a look at that. Again, you can access that by just going into our marketplace here, where you can see all the tools that are active or are available on the marketplace for the Qebot web operating system. You can see them all here. Review management right there, $30 per month. Now with this tool, there are two different options. So tier 1 and tier 2 both have 60 plus review sites, unlimited users, unlimited reports, unlimited review requests, access to the mobile app, access to cloud's integration, website widgets, etc. The one difference here is for the tier 1, you can respond to your own reviews yourself. But for tier 2, there's a team that will respond to your reviews for you. They're going to work with your team to understand your tone, how you want to message, and then they will actually respond to all your reviews for you. So a couple different tiers there, $30 a month for tier 1, $65 a month for their team to respond to your reviews for you. So that's it. Let's get started. So to get started with a month free, sponsored by Qebot WebOS or web operating system and Shout About Us, use promo code GETSAU. That's a Shout About Us, SAU. GETSAU. You can just put that into the coupon code when you go to activate the tool within the Qebot Marketplace. Now that only works within the Qebot Marketplace. So you have to be using Qebot, the Qebot web operating system to get that promo code to work. But it's a great promo to get that tool up and running and see if it's going to work for you and your business. Thanks for joining us today. We had a lot of fun doing this, and we'll see you next time.